is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry.
Hello, we dey welcome una come this program where we dey call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to una from Procyon radio and television. My name na Sarah Agbon. I get Gloria Enoch for studio.
Good morning, my people.
All right, Gloria Enoch, they greet una and we dey welcome una. I hope una full ground una dey kakaraka. Today Tori we wan carry come give una. We wan come tell una how man destroy woman life. How man destroy woman life. Gloria, this woman dey her own je. Now if she come jam this young guy, as the guy come meet her, the guy come tell her say he wan marry her. You know that kind of relationship between man and woman, as in they come up and young people like that. The guy get dream say one day she go marry you. So now when she come see somebody wey talk say he wan marry her, now she come gree. They come dey do their relationship dey go. And before then, make I tell you wetin dey ground for the man side. Wetin dey ground for the man side be say the man been give one girl belle before. Before he meet this lady. So as he give the other lady belle, the parents of the girl come say they no gree, they don't like the boy. He no go marry their pikin. As they tell her say no go marry him, they agree to take responsibility to take care of their daughter and the pikin wey the girl wan born. The parents dey ready. So this boy come comot for there. Now he come meet this particular lady wey I wan tell you about now. He come gree for her. Everything the girl come prepare. Say okay now. You know when you some of them wey no dey patient. Before you know it, the girl come get belle.
Yeah.
As she come get belle, they come say okay make dem do the thing sharp. Oh, they come rush go village go do traditional wedding and everything. As they finish the traditional wedding, na the lady now come dey prepare for the marriage blessing wey they wan do for them to finally send her go the man house. They don buy everything put for ground. Na one lady come ask her say come o, you know say this man wey wan marry you bin get pikin outside. Now she say no, she no know. He say this guy been dey inside relationship with another lady outside before. Say at least he suppose open up, tell you say see wetin happen before.
Yes.
Now she say no, she no know. She come call the guy ask am. As she call am ask am, the guy wan come deny. As he wan come deny now, this particular lady, the lady come dey do investigation. So the person wey tell am tori now, since you know say for area that kind tori, person they quick to like to take am fast so that na sweet tori for bad people. You understand? So bad people come carry the tori, come dey tell her say you no know, we go even show you the woman and the pikin wey you born, we go show you. You no know. So na so they come carry her, come show her the lady, come show her. She come dey ask the lady say no be the man fault, so na her parents.
Okay.
You understand? Na her parents no gree. Since her parents no gree, she no get anything to talk. So if the guy say he still wan go marry, make him marry. The problem wey the lady get be say when she come go back again, the guy wan deny. Now the girl vex. Say if you dey deny, e mean say you go still do another one.
Yes.
You be bad person. With the belle wey she get, with the things wey dem buy kill Gloria, as I dey tell you. Na so the girl tell her parents say see wetin dey inside. The parents beg her say to since you don go far, make you no worry, make you just do this wedding. The girl no gree. Na so the girl abandon everything, say she no even wan get anything from the guy. Make the guy no think say na him money or na the property wey him buy for her, na him dey make her wan marry am. She say no, she no want, make him go with her
Because she thinks he go still do, as you know, if you tell her from beginning,
yes,
he deceive her, he hide am from her. Na bad person him be. You see, my people, I don't hear this.
You say na bad person him be. If he dey feel, if fit dey feel say him dey protect
in oneself.
in own self, and they protect in relationship with this lady, say maybe the lady feel wrong.
If forget say and what people don't hear am. That kind of thing, they no dey hide am. And people they no dey deny person talk, na only food dem dey deny person. So he supposed to know say even though he hide am, one day the lady go know because pikin dey.
Pikin dey.
If you waka pass, people go say, "You like say that pikin wey you see so, make I tell you, na your husband pikin o." So you no go hide. So wetin me I see inside be that she the man for tell her if you like this lady like this and you know she don already get bad record for that, if you no let this kind thing repeat again, if you tell her say see o, and no be say I play the girl o, no be say na me no wan marry her o,
Yes.
na the parents. I don get girl wey I be wan marry, e even carry belle for me, but the people deny me of the marriage, even with the pikin dem collect, say I no get anything to do, make I go my own way. So before I come meet you. So if you see open up for the girl like that, see wetin I pass through, she for no vex. So because e hide am, e cover am, since he go, they no dey fit cover sin, they no dey fit cover bad thing. And something wey happen for area and angwa wey you know say, no how when one person or two person no go tell this girl, even though he enter your house as wife, they go tell her. So the bad thing wey he do instead, the mistake wey he do for there be say, if I let her know, she for no vex. And you wey be say you don't know the truth, and you know say no be say him play the girl, na the man now and the girl now dey talk to, you for no do like that because he don tell you say sorry, because I know say he go don beg you, go don even carry people.
You don beg her.
You don carry people say make una help me.
Even her own parents.
Dem go beg you say see pikin for your body, you no fit carry this pikin deny him of him own pikin, and they don buy everything put for ground, every preparation don happen, and for to work out like that, you man you don show say you wan wicked him, because people don know say they go count for am say first one, second one. So e go come
the third one
go come be say na bad name for the man. So you for no work out, because as you work out so say you no go do again, you man you no do well for am.
Wetin dey pain the girl now be say she never ever think say she go marry person wey don get pikin before.
Say, na life.
You understand?
Na life.
So now when the thing come happen like that, she come dey like, hi, how you go be where I go come marry person? You know say e get some girls wey dey also think of the kind person wey they wan marry and the kind person wey they no go fit marry.
Yes.
If it be say e get so many things wey happen for ground before wey the girl go dey talk say God forbid, if na me I no go fit do like that. You understand?
Yes.
Maybe e don happen to another person wey near her before.
Now it come happen to her.
Now
they go say to now it happen to you.
Yes, how e be?
How it be? Go say God forbid. Maybe she don advise person say no gree. Now it come happen to her, and she if she gree, she go look say if I gree, they go say I no need talk like this. Now it happen to me, how I go do? Maybe na that grand night she dey. She dey think how she go do now.
Na so.
Whether to go back or. So that is why you see.
Be like say the road come block.
Because that is why you could say before you go talk too much, or you advise person not to talk because you don't know tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow if you turn around. Because even the girl, even her herself, even the man, you know, especially it could be like that. Because he say he could fit cover am, but now when you know fit cover am again, and it can't happen. And this lady, man, if it be say she herself, she don't talk this kind of thing concerning person. Now it can't happen for her head now. She said the road can't become true for her.
The road come block.
And it come block. Here you go pass.
So like you talk now, say that's why you know good to dey talk
Anyhow.
Because many people sabi talk anyhow. You go see something dey happen to person, instead of you make you sympathize with the person,
You go carry am.
you go carry am dey waka, dey happy, dey enjoy. How bad thing, something wey be say person no plan for im life and come, instead make you pity the person, sympathize with the person, kai this person no for no wan find himself for this
like this.
But now you go carry and they laugh, they run up and down from one end to the other. They tell people say, see wetin happen. Truly wetin you talk, wetin you sow you go reap. You understand? So now that kind of thing, maybe the lady can't find herself inside. Maybe say she no fit comot. So the best thing for her to justify herself, to make the people wey she don make mouth for, to make them know say yes,
She get the mind.
I get the mind to do that kind of thing. Now it make her come comot. The girl come say the man don destroy her life. She say the man don't destroy her life.
Destroy her
Because
life.
no be the plan what she get for life be that. The plan what she get for life now make she just do her wedding, only her and her husband, make her own pikin be the first pikin wey go come from the family. But she can't find out like that. Well, if you look am another way, me I dey feel say the situation wey the girl find herself, na wetin she no like na she reject. Abi? Wetin person no like, e good make you reject am. Abi? E no good make you reject am. E good make you force yourself enter. Because sometimes if you force yourself enter inside,
You go force out again, you go comot.
and then you feel no dey happy for that place.
For life, just be like one. Make I just make this one wey we talk now don make me remember. The marriage wey be say dem tell the boy say no enter, no go this marriage. No marry this girl. Parents tell am say no marry this girl, you no gree. He say even the plan dey take you say pikin dey wan gree because he get small money for hand.
Okay.
Don ever see young boy wey never even give the mother food chop. He say pikin dey hungry am to get. No do, give the girl belle. They say no go this marriage. You go regret am tomorrow. When he enter am, get one pikin, two pikin, three pikin, four pikin. Na the thing become that sweetness become bitter. Na him himself now dey pack leg dey do 20 step backward. He leave the girl for road. I no go say I no dey go again with you. I dey do U-turn. How can you do U-turn when you see say 4 children don follow? E no dey possible.
Not possible.
Because from
You
the
go face that responsibility.
Yeah. E go hit you front and back. Because they don't tell you from beginning say, hold brake. You say, na speed I want put. The speed when you go, as you go, you hit block, bam! Now you stand there. Now na reverse they do. You no fit pass the again.
My papa, that's my father in the Lord. They talk say, shine before your time, you die before your time. So everybody need to dey patient. Make person no do gra. Enter wetin you no supposed to enter.
Yes.
Because that word wey my father in the Lord dey tell me, he say shine before your time.
You die before your time.
So make everybody dey carry life dey go je. So the guy from the beginning, he no follow the right process. That first lady wey he give belle, if to say he follow the right process from the beginning, he for no say the parents no like am.
If I no go there.
If for no go there, you understand? So now he don come get double. Wetin dem dey call that one? Na 2-0 be that.
Na so
He do the first one, he no go. He do the second one, he no go. So make we dey watch our way. If una dey lis ten to us or una dey hear us, una dey watch us and lis ten to us for Procyon radio and television. The program wey una dey lis ten or hear na the program wey we dey call Area Tori, and Area Tori dey bring different matter wey dey happen for our area. And I dey for studio with Gloria Enoch today. Then with this, I wan talk say we don come to the end of this particular program. We go still get another tori wey we go do, make una no dey miss am. Make una just dey follow us. If una get tori to give us, una go fit call us for this number 08094646206. If una dey lis ten, na the number be that. If una dey watch us, the number dey for screen as we just dey here. And then I wan tell una say make una dey take life jeje. Shine before your time, you die before your time. I wan tell una say thank you. Abeg make una like, make una share, make una subscribe if una never subscribe, and make una also dey comment for our program so that we go dey move dey go. God bless una if una do so now. Abeg make una subscribe, like, share, and also comment on our video. Only to like no do. Only to like no do. Abeg make una just make sure say una open the video. If una wan help us to promote us, open the video and then make una click like. Make una also click on the notification bell, and so that anytime when we drop the tori, you go just see am. Una go open am, follow us. God go bless una. The program dey come to una from Procyon radio and television. My name na Sarah Agbon, Gloria Enoch, thank you for coming to the studio. One say make una dey shine like the star wey una be.
Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to